Hi folks, this is Dawn from Create to 8 and Create with Confidence. And I have a question for you because I can't decide between the two kits as to which one I want to use for the next project. The first one is Paris in Spring. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. Even for somebody who is not a pink person, this is just beautiful. So it's got lots of pages, lots of ephemera to it. It's gorgeous. Okay, and I just printed all these out in full sheets. So I didn't change anything with my printer on these. Look at this. Isn't that cool? Okay, pockets. We've got some more pockets. More pockets in little file folders. Okay, so that's the first one. And that is Paris in Spring. Okay. So think about that one. I'll show you the next one. Okay. The next one is Vintage Letterbox. And again, I printed these out in full sheets. And I just love it. And I can't decide between the two of them because they're just so pretty. Okay, I'll get this sooner or later. Okay, look how fun this would be. Isn't he cute? That little frog? And how about that? Okay, so that's the second one. And that is Vintage Letterbox. So in the comments below, what I'm asking you is to help me decide. Would you like to see a junk journal done in Vintage Letterbox or Paris in Spring? And if you could, let me know as soon as possible because I'd like to get this started on by the end of this week. So this is Monday afternoon. And if you could let me know by Wednesday afternoon, I'd appreciate it. Thanks a lot, and I hope you all have a great day.